today, don't forget the deadline of the essay assignment will be next day. Okay, good class. Bye and thank you, Ma'am Rena Jin.
I'm sorry. They're coming the next
Behind the scenes.
Okay.
Bro, is there any assignment?
Isang araw lokso.
Yes, bro. There is an assignment during the class. Deadline will be next day.
Okay, bro.
Kacata.
Go. Okay, bro.
First, think of a topic you like. Second, write an introduction for your topic.
Third, write the content of your chosen topic to make the body of the essay.
Lastly, write the insight that will conclude your topic.
Alright, bro. I get it. Now, thank you so much for the helping hand, brother.
No problem, bro. Trying to help a struggling friend anytime, brother.
Boy, next.